Hello and welcome to this series on regular expressions. I am Pradeep and let's dive in this together. So before starting on the regular expressions, we should understand why we should learn regular expressions. Regular expression is one of the important skill that one software engineer or developer should master because these skills can be used in various use cases irrespective of the language that you are using to solve a particular business problem or to create a particular business solution. For example, regular expression can be used to validate user inputs in software systems. It can also be used in matching subpatterns in larger text corpus, and these days, customer support bots and personal assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, etc. are growing quite fast. Another use case would be to get the contact information from different sources. Using regular expression, you can give a competitive advantage for your organization or for your business. Regular expression is being used to do sentiment analysis, wherein we can parse different reviews from different users and we can know what is the sentiment around a product or a brand. Using regular expressions, there are few businesses that people have created. So let's take one example of each. Okay, so over here I have football product which is from Amazon. Over here, what I can see is there are so many reviews for this product and there are few tags as well. So to match these tags against all of these reviews, regular expression is used. Let's say I want to see all the reviews wherein lightweight is one of the keywords, or I want to see the reviews where value for money is there. So these kind of things or pattern matching against the text is done using regular expressions. And we also talked about one example or use case wherein we can validate user inputs. So here is a website JSFiddle which is used to create small samples of web-based use cases that you want to do. So over here what I have done, I have used jQuery. So whenever I am clicking on this button, what it will do, it will read the text that I'm going to enter in this input box and it will match it against this regular expression. This regular expression may look like a little overwhelming right now, but this matches with different RFCs that are proposed by Internet Task Force. If you want to go to details of these RFCs, you can go to email addresses entry of Wikipedia and go through these RFCs. But let's come back to regular expressions and we will try to look how this regular expression is being matched against the text that I'm going to enter over here. Let's assume this is my email address, which is not, but for the sake of example I'm assuming some user is inputting this email and I want to check whether this is valid or not. So it looks like valid. And now let's say there is another user which says, if I click on validate, then it will say that it is an invalid email. Yeah. So such kind of validations we can do using regular expressions. One more example, let's say I searched on Google what is Geo customer support contact. Now from Geo's website, what Google will do is it will use different regular expression to match this number and then will directly show the actual number over here to improve their user experience. Regular expression can also help in doing sentiment analysis. In this example itself, if people are using different kind of emojis, so what we can do is we can divide all the emojis in two parts. One is positive and another one is negative. Now we can match these emojis against the text of these reviews, and then we can sum up the number of positive emojis and negative emojis, so that we will know what is the sentiment around this particular product. This would be a very crude way to do it, but just for an example purpose. And one of the last example that I want to discuss is how people have created businesses around using regular expressions, and they parse information from different websites and they display on one web interface. So here is one such website, Skyscanner. What it does is it will take input from you. Let's say I want to travel from Dubai to Malaysia, and then I click on search. So what it is going to do is it will look for different travel websites like booking.com, trip.com, hotels.com, make my trip, and others. So what they essentially are doing in background is they are fetching HTML from these websites, from Make My Trip or from Vigo or Fair Compare or some others, and they are parsing the flights information using regular expression. And let's say if I click on one of the result and I click on select, I will be redirected to the base website from where Skyscanner is getting the information. So if I book this ticket from here, Skyscanner is going to get some of the affiliate revenue from kiwi.com. So these were some of the examples and different use cases where regular expressions are used. Coming back, how we are going to learn about regular expressions. So this is the first session. We are having an introduction and we are motivating ourselves. Why should we learn regular expression? The next sessions would be around quantifiers. So quantifier are something which help us to quantify the matches, whether we want to match a particular word one time or one or more time or exactly three times. These are just 10 examples. Anchors are special words in regular expression that denotes start and end of a regular expression, but there are more that we will study when we come to anchors session. Meta sequences are special kind of sequences predefined in regular expression libraries, and these meta sequences can help us to write and sort. Modifiers are something in which we can say I want to match this particular regular expression globally, or it should be case sensitive or it should not be case sensitive. Group constructs help us to make groups of different regular expression in short form notations, and then character classes are predefined notations of different groups of characters, for example alphanumeric characters and digits. So we are in a good situation wherein we can define regular expression. So we can say regular expression is a sequence of characters which helps us in specifying search patterns in one text corpus. Text corpus is a big text, so we will have first look on regular expression right now. Over here we have a website regex101.com which help us to write regular expressions and the corresponding text corpus or text string and see what are the different sequences that are matching against this regular expression. So over here is my text string, and from this text string I want to match welcome. I can change it. I can match for V also. In this text string I'm getting two matches. So for this website we will be using this all along in our videos, and I'm going to refer it with the name of our playground website. Go to this website, try to learn the user interface of this website, and I'll see you soon.